we got a new cage for Dusty, and it's beautiful. And here is Dusty. Here comes Dusty. Here comes Dusty. Here comes Dusty. Dusty going into a new cage tonight, and she already loves it.
Yeah, because she got something to climb on.
She already loves it. Look, she's just clinging on to it. That's beautiful.
Thanks.
Hi, Dusty.
She got her in her finger.
You big, beautiful, lovely bully lady. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Am I less scary through a cage?
Good girl. Good girly. Good girly. Good girl. Good girl.
Thank you so much for coming over and bringing Dusty's cage and capturing her.
Anytime.
She deserves to sit in a quiet spot. You know, it's been so loud out there. You know, she hates it. She runs away from the door trying to get out. Like, get me out of here. And now it's going to be quiet.
Well, it's just a part of my day.
What is your name?
My name? Beth.
Yeah, your name is Beth. Do you have any other pets?
I've got a snake, 2 possums, 3 rats, 2 cats.
Wow.
I think that's it.
Woo!
She rescues animals.
and a tarantula and a scorpion.
A tarantula and a scorpion.
Yeah,
She got a tarantula and a scorpion. Cool.
Oh, hell no, I wouldn't let it travel.
The scorpions do.
Can we see a shirt? That's dope. This is my YouTube video. I'm making her I'm gonna make her a famous bird.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Good girly. Good girly.
Yeah.
Okay, darling. Get you some perches and everything.
Yes, we're gonna get her everything. We're gonna spoil
get the 2
her.
ones you've got and like maybe my long things. Yeah, I don't know how long these are. They'll fit across the cage.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I've got wooden perches, but they're not that long.
I've literally gone out just sterilized some sticks.
Yeah, we might have to go and get some. How did you
Cool.
sterilize
Thank
them?
you.
Just pour boiling water over them.
Dusty having a great time. Dusty.